Funny facts about baby monkeys you don't know. Baby monkeys suck on their own toes for comfort and relaxation. They often engage in playful wrestling matches with siblings to develop social and physical skills. Did you know that baby monkeys love playing dress-up? They enjoy trying on and exploring various items like hats, scarves, and even toys. These adorable little creatures also have a funny habit of imitating human expressions and gestures. Plus, they can't resist making funny faces to grab attention and entertain their fellow troop members.